So over here you can see that I got a bunch of shapes and they have a certain style to them. So if you want to go around and then change out the style for a certain shape or multiple shapes right here, then you can select it. And over here on the right hand side, you can see you have access to style. You can change around their color, as you can see, just like this. Let me just go around and type in a text over here as well to see how they look. Let me just select all of these. You can go around and change the style. Let me just select this shape right here, and then you see you get more specific style options for that particular shape as well. Then you can go around and select out different options for them, as you can see. You can disable the fill as well so that it is transparent, just like this as well. Or enable the fill right here and go around and choose, let's say, different styles over here as well. Like you can hatch, you can use dots, you can use solid, you can use, let's say, zigzag, and so forth. You can go around over here, and let's say I'm going to go around onto solid right here. This is like this. So I'm going to go around and choose this. So here you can see that you can go around, enable the fill, or you can enable and disable the line as well, and choose different types of lines right here. You can increase the size of the line as well. You can also go around and change out different things. You can change around the opacity of the lines, making it transparent over here just like this as well, or the entire shape. As you can see, it is transparent when you do this. You can go around and make the shape more rounded, or make it more like a sketch. You can make it more like a glass and add in shadows to this as well. And you can see that it already looks interesting like that as well. Regarding opacity, let me just go around, type in 100% because I don't want to change that out. And over here you can see that there's a very unique effect to this. You can also go around, and here you can see you can copy out the style, select out another shape, and then paste the style as well, or set this as a default style as well by clicking on this button. You can also go around and see different values, like there's the fill opacity and everything right here, and you can change around all of the things right here. Let's say, for example, you want to go for stroke opacity. You can change out the value right here, and the opacity changes right here. And you can change around different parameters right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and change the style properties according to how you want inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.